Welcome back. Let's begin our journey by understanding prompt engineering basics. In this session we will deep dive into Step 1 Prompt Engineering Basics. What is prompt engineering? How you can use it? In what scenario you can use it? Recommendations for using basic prompt. We will look into some examples on ChatGPT platform. In examples for prompt engineering basics we will look into 3 examples. In first example, we will look into how you can write prompt for content generation. In the second example, we will look in conversational AI prompt technique to get specific conversational information from ChatGPT language model engine, and at last example we will look into how to use ChatGPT language model for data analysis specific question for a given context. Before starting our journey to understand prompt engineering, we first have to understand what is prompt. A prompt is a specific instruction, question, or statement that you provide to a computer program or system, like a chatbot or a search engine, to request information or generate a response. It's like giving a command or asking a question to get a computer to do something or provide you with answers or content related to your query. For example, when using ChatGPT, you can give it a prompt like, "Please explain the concept of gravity," and it will generate a response that explains the concept of gravity. In this case, your prompt is guiding ChatGPT to provide information on a specific topic. Let's look this in action. First go to site chat.openai.com. This is URL to access ChatGPT. Once you visit this site you will get this text box where you can ask your question. You see here ChatGPT team has given some example, also you can also write some instructions. So let's write our instruction, "Please explain the concept of gravity." You can see how beautifully it has responded. This is just an example, but we can get more out of ChatGPT with the technique of prompt engineering. That is what we are going to discuss next. Now let's discuss about what is prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the strategic process of formulating prompts or instructions that influence the output of a language model, such as ChatGPT. It empowers users to shape the generated text according to their specific requirements and preferences. How you can use it? You can use prompt engineering to 1. Control output. Create prompts that act as guiding cues for the model, allowing you to steer the generated content in a particular direction. 2. Customize responses. Tailor the language model's output to suit your needs, ensuring it provides contextually relevant and accurate information. 3. Optimize for quality. Improve the quality of generated text by providing structured prompts that reduce ambiguity and enhance coherence. In what scenario you can use it? Prompt engineering is valuable in various scenarios. 1. Conversational AI. Employ it in chatbots and virtual assistants to generate coherent and contextually appropriate responses during user interactions. 2. Content generation. Use it to automate content creation for blogs, articles, and reports, ensuring the generated text aligns with specific content requirements. 3. Data analysis. Apply prompt engineering to extract meaningful insights from unstructured data, enabling the model to summarize, categorize, or analyze textual information. 4. Translation. Customize prompts to guide the model in providing accurate translations while maintaining the nuances of the source language. Recommendations to effectively utilize prompt engineering. 1. Understand model capabilities. Familiarize yourself with the language model's capabilities and limitations to design prompts that align with its strengths. 2. Precision in instructions. Be clear and precise in your instructions to avoid ambiguity and ensure the model comprehends your intent accurately. 3. Experiment and iterate. Prompt engineering may require experimentation and iteration to achieve desired results. Don't hesitate to refine your prompts based on feedback. Now let's look into the examples. In the first example we will start with simple prompt. I have given the same prompt in the description of the video. You can use it if you are following along with me. Here you will notice that we are guiding ChatGPT language model to produce a specific type of content, an article, on a particular topic. For this example we are asking of renewable energy benefits in 500 words. You notice here how excellently it has performed. Now let's proceed further and look into second example. This is related to the context of conversational AI. We encounter a specific scenario where the prompt plays a pivotal role. Imagine a user interacting with a virtual assistant or chatbot, seeking information about the weather forecast in New York for the upcoming 3 days. In this scenario, the prompt provided to the AI model is clear and concise: respond to the user's query about the weather in New York for the next 3 days. This prompt serves as a guiding instruction, directing the AI model to generate a contextually appropriate response to the user's specific query. It exemplifies how prompts are used to instruct AI systems to understand and cater to user needs, making the interaction between humans and machines more effective and seamless. Let's look this into action. This time we will go into Perplexity.ai site. Perplexity.ai is an AI chat tool that acts as a powerful search engine. It was built using the same model as ChatGPT-3 and is based on OpenAI's GPT technology but is trained specifically as a chatbot. When a user inputs a question, the model scours the internet to give an answer. Perplexity AI is more of a search engine that provides suggestions and sources in response to queries. It is designed to search the web in real time to provide up-to-date information on various topics. Perplexity AI is a free tool that can be accessed from their website or mobile app. It is user-friendly and provides straightforward answers with cited sources. You will notice the output. It is really amazing. Now let's proceed further and look into last example of this session. This is related in the context of data analysis. Let's consider a scenario where an AI model is tasked with deriving valuable insights from a collection of customer reviews regarding a company's latest product. The provided prompt for this task is succinct yet comprehensive. This prompt serves as a clear directive, guiding the AI model to perform sentiment analysis on the customer reviews. The goal is to evaluate the sentiment expressed in these reviews, which could range from positive to negative or anywhere in between. Once the analysis is complete, the model is expected to generate a concise summary that encapsulates the overall sentiment, thus simplifying the process of understanding customer feedback and making data-driven decisions. In this scenario, the prompt showcases how AI can be leveraged to extract valuable insights from vast datasets, aiding businesses in making informed choices and improving their products and services. Let's jump into the ChatGPT and we will provide some dummy review comment and ask ChatGPT to analyze the sentences and provide the sentiment. First, I am giving positive sentences. And see it how excellently it provided the information. Now let's proceed further and try with another sentence, and this time I am going to pass bad sentiment sentence. And you notice here again it has done amazing job here. Prompt engineering is a powerful tool that enables you to harness the potential of language models effectively. By following best practices and experimenting with prompts, you can achieve precise and tailored AI-generated content across a wide range of applications. On this note, I am stopping over here. If you like this video, like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification.